What's your English level? Take this practice test. English short story. English essay. My family. My family, it's an extended family. It contains father, mother, children, auntie, uncle, and grandparents. We are of average standard but bound with unity. I and my parents lives in Eastern Europe, whilst the grandparents across the border. My family is built with strong values and like caring for each other's needs. During matrimonial ceremonies, we come together without discrimination. We don't forget our neighbors who are always on our side. Questions. Activity 1. 1. Our family makes us. Into. Respectable human being. Grow, develop, sing, dance. 2. It provides. Environment which allows us share our feelings. Safe, secure, rich, wealth. 3. It stays together, promoting. Persons. Social, intellectual, poor, unintelligent. 4. It. Family conflicts, solve, ignore. 5. It creates room to mature. Emotionally, physically, height, weight. Question. Answers. 1. Grow and develop. 2. Safe and secure. 3. Social and intellectual. 4. Emotionally and physically. 5. Solve. Question. Activity 2. Write down all prepositions from the essay. Answers. A and B with C in D, while E across